Embark on an extraordinary journey at the Edge Leeds, a realm where luxury meets excitement in the heart of this vibrant city. Choose your perfect studio sanctuary, each a haven of comfort and style. Dive into a plush bed, binge your favorite shows on the TV, and unleash your inner culinary maestro in fully equipped kitchens fit for a celebrity chef. But that's not all. Indulge in a private cinema for exclusive movie nights, unwind in a relaxing student lounge, stay fit in a large unsafe gym, and rejuvenate in the sauna and steam room. The best part, however, is the inclusion of utility bills, taking your stay to the zenith of affordability. Nestled conveniently close to prestigious institutions like Leeds City College and Leeds University Business School, realizing your academic dreams becomes a seamless journey. Whether indulging in craft beers at the Fox and Newt Pub or enjoying live music at Belgrave Music Hall and Canteen, there's an abundance of places to unwind after a day of lectures. With excellent transport connections nearby, saving time and money on commuting becomes effortlessly achievable. So, what are you waiting for? Head straight to amberstudent.com to book your next adventure in Leeds at the Edge.